Powers that be in Uttar Pradesh are constantly under the lens on charges of poor law and order. But now the malaise seems to have spread to the health apparatus in the state as well. At the receiving end are common citizens. A couple is crying for justice now as their 10-month child died at the biggest government hospital in Bahraich as the hospital staff refused to help them without being bribed paltry sums of money. A probe has now been ordered and some action has also been taken against the offenders, but it's all too late for little Krishna.
While Uttar Pradesh government is busy spending crores, claiming how the public health sector has improved in the state, there comes the tragic news of an infant death in a government hospital because the hospital staff refused to attend to the child as his parents could not pay 20 rupees as bribe. Resident of a village near Bahraich, Shivdat and his wife Sunita had brought their 10-month-old son Krishna to the children's ward at the government hospital in the town. The child had high fever and weakness. After a doctor asked the couple to admit the child, a nurse allegedly demanded extra money to get documents in order. Next, it was the sweeper at the children's ward. Then a medical assistant came asking for money to get an injection. All medical facilities are supposed to be provided free of charge to the citizens.
पैसे की लापरवाही से जो है ये है हुआ है सर। जो स्टाफ यहाँ का है बिल्कुल लापरवाह है। डॉक्टर को उसे हटा देना चाहिए, दूसरा स्टाफ आना चाहिए और उसकी सजा भी इन लोगों को मिलना चाहिए।
The baby was given the injection, but it was too late by then. As the issue grabbed screaming headlines, UP government came out of the shell to defend itself. The state health minister has asked for an inquiry in the matter. Meanwhile, opposition has termed this case as an example of government's insensitivity towards the poor and the downtrodden.
जिलाधिकारी से जांच कराकर रिपोर्ट मांगने के लिए कही दिया है, रिपोर्ट मांगा है, तो इसमें भी सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी, चाहे वो सीएमएस हो, चाहे अन्य कोई कर्मचारी हो या डॉक्टर हो, जो भी दोषी पाए जाएंगे उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
बहुत ही गंभीर एक संवेदनहीनता का उदाहरण है और ये उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं बिल्कुल समाप्त प्राय हो चुकी हैं और ये इसका जीता जागता उदाहरण है।
वर्तमान सपा सरकार में वैसे तो समाज के हर वर्गों के लोगों के ऊपर जुल्म ज्यादती हो रही है, हर स्तर पर हो रही है, हर मामले में हो रही है, लेकिन खासकर जो दलित वर्ग के लोग हैं उनके साथ कुछ ज्यादा ही हो रही है। इसका हमारी पार्टी कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करती है।
The hospital has suspended sweeper Pawan Verma and the nurse has been shifted to the other ward. The hospital administration has also set up an inquiry committee to probe the alleged incidents of bribery. The episode claimed an innocent life. At the same time, it once again brings to fore a deep-rooted failure in the system that makes the poor suffer more for the amenities that he has a right to claim. Newsnight Desk, DD News.